Okay, so this video is about the misery of algorithms because I embarked on learning algorithms for technical interviews in top companies. And I noticed I use it to learn coding and algorithms earlier. Like I read the task, and if I don't understand, I just sit and think like there is some kind of array, suppose, and you need to, by some magical actions, find the sum of presums of undersums of some number. So what I used to do, I just sit and think logically how to do that. But recently I realized that really smart way is just to learn all types of algorithms, like all the patterns of code, and implement them. And yes, somewhat it helped me, but still, first thing I can't find any source where I can see like all types of algorithms. And when I prepare for IELTS, and if you like have to write an essay, it's not good to just sit and think what to write, how you feel, like your all feelings and thought stream. It's more about like take 2 sheets of paper and write some linking words, some starting words, some final words, and so on, and you make a cliche. You just pick from each column the cliche, and the 50 or even 70% of your essay is a mere cliche. And I decided to do the same with algorithms. So the first problem is that I can't find any source where like all algorithms. Maybe I need to learn some necessary algorithms like top 5 or 8 algorithms, but nevertheless. And another thing is that okay, I got the cliche from one source. I put it to the exactly same model. Like I know that I analyze it. I see that in this task I need to put like binary search, double binary search, and I put the cliche code and it doesn't match. It means I need to fix something there. And what comes to the scene is the lack of knowledge, like what can I do overall with coding with Python, for example. I see the function extend. So what means extend actually? I couldn't navigate my mind to what actually does extend function in Python. And then I decided to make like count or sort, something in that kind. Like you need to sort an array. So what you will do, you will write sort and in braces array, or you will write array sorted and braces and something in braces. So yes, I confused a little bit and of course after such confusements I doubted if I can just make a method count and array, or I should do like count and some array. Yes, that is the thing. And I continue learning algorithms for a week already. I watched some recommended company by some top company in Russia recommended videos on learning algorithms, but they're like theory, and I guess I don't need so much theory into hours. It's better to learn, take like GPT, and it will explain to you everything completely. And of course, I just try to write down on papers all patterns of algorithms to learn them. So let's see what happened later.